Hey everyone, welcome back to the Future Pro Gadgets channel, and today we're going to be unboxing and getting a first look at the Smartish Wallet Slayer case, Volume 2. So this is different than the Volume 1 Smartish Wallet Slayer case. This one's a leather type material, the first one's like more plastic, and this is going to be, I think it should fit pretty much every iPhone, the 12, 11, 8 Plus, 10, SE, pretty much everything. So when you unbox, you have pretty basic packaging. The sticker, here's the case, the first look at it. Then we've got your back and front wallet slayer. Just the pretty standard packaging, but let's get our first look at the case. It feels like a pretty good quality case. Like the leather type material feels pretty good, and you have this little card that just has some certain information on it, not too important, but here's back to the case. So it's like today we're gonna be putting the iPhone 11 in this case, but it should be pretty much the same for the 12 and every other iPhone. But yeah, as I was saying, this material is pretty nice. Like I think I paid like 20 bucks on Amazon. It might be 25, or I looked at them and they're ranging from 15 to 25 depending on each model. And look at this cool little feature. If you put the card, there's like a little slit in it. You can put like a credit card in a little slit and it'll like hold it up so you can watch your shows or whatever. And this card does hold 3 credit cards, I believe, at a time. I am probably just going to use 1 or 2 just so I don't stretch it out or anything, but it holds 3, which is pretty cool. So we have it on the phone and it feels pretty nice in hand. Not very slippery, pretty protective. As it seems, the lip goes above the screen, so there's that protection. And there's like these little ridges on the side. And it's a pretty good looking case, as you can see. Like, this is probably the nicest wallet case I've ever held in hand. Okay, now we're gonna look at it with some cards and gift cards, putting them in the case to see how it holds them and how they slide in, and to see if they can slide out easily or how secure they are. So let's pop in this first card. It goes in pretty easily. It seems like it has a tight fit, and it seems like it's a little tough to get out, which the case is new, so it'll probably stretch out over time, which is a pretty good thing. Just one card that it stays in like that. Let's try this other card. That one is a little bent. Yeah, this one goes in a lot easier, and it feels pretty secure. You have to it doesn't feel like too loose where it'll fall out, but it's like secure enough. So let's try popping in a second card and see how it fits. See, it slides in well. It seems pretty good. It makes your phone a little thicker, which is expected because you have cards in the back of it, but this case is pretty nice. From my first look, I would probably recommend this case. Like, it feels pretty high quality. You can easily fit both your cards. If you're like me and you don't like carrying a wallet around, this is definitely the way to go. And the little slit is another cool feature, but I would definitely recommend this case. If you are looking for it, go to the link in the description, and I will have a link for every single iPhone, so you can grab it there. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next video.